This tiny Japanese camper has a turbo engine, four-wheel drive, home air conditioning, sleeps for 12 feet long, and even floor heating. This is the all-new JP Star Happy One Turbo. Even more surprising is the price. Depending on the layout and optional features, it typically ranges from $23,700 to $37,000. And it proves that you don't need a giant motorhome to enjoy serious camping. And it comes in a wide range of colors, from white and bright silver metallic to bold options like Tonico Orange Metallic and Champagne Gold. At first glance, it looks almost too small to be a real RV, but step inside and you'll quickly realize this tiny Japanese camper packs more features than some motorhomes, twice its size. The biggest upgrade this year isn't just what's inside. Under the body is a turbocharged Daihatsu Atrai platform with four-wheel drive, giving this little camper the performance older models always lacked. So let's take a closer look and see why the Happy One Turbo has become one of the smartest micro campers on the market. From the outside, the first thing that stands out is just how compact it is. Measuring only 12.7 feet long, 5.5 feet wide, and about 8.5 feet tall, the Happy One Turbo is shorter than many pickup trucks. Yet somehow it manages to offer the functionality of a full-size motorhome. That compact size makes a huge difference when driving through crowded cities or even small campsites where larger RVs simply can't fit, making everyday driving surprisingly practical. The fiberglass reinforced habitation shell is purpose-built rather than simply added onto the chassis. Its tall, vertical walls maximize interior living space while keeping the overall footprint remarkably small. Up front, the aerodynamic overcab section isn't just for looks. Its streamlined shape helps reduce wind resistance while hiding one of the camper's sleeping areas inside. The turbo model also looks noticeably more aggressive than previous versions. Wide fender flares give it a stronger stance, while upgraded wheels and wider tires improve stability on the highway and in crosswinds. These changes don't just enhance appearance, they also make long-distance driving feel much more confident. Walking around the camper reveals plenty of thoughtful features. The residential-style side entry door feels solid and secure, complete with an integrated insect screen that lets fresh air circulate without inviting bugs inside. Just below the door, an electric side step automatically extends when you open the entrance and retracts again before driving away, making entry much easier for everyone. Mounted along the side is a retractable awning that instantly creates a shaded outdoor living area. Integrated LED lighting underneath means your campsite stays well lit after sunset, whether you're relaxing in a camping chair or cooking dinner outside. Storage and utility access are cleverly integrated throughout the exterior. Lockable service hatches provide quick access to the fresh and gray water tanks, making filling and draining simple. There's a dedicated shore power connection for plugging into campground electricity, allowing the EcoFlow battery system to recharge while powering appliances inside. One feature that deserves special attention is the multi-view camera system. Because the living cabin blocks the traditional rear view, JP Star has integrated cameras around the entire vehicle, including the front, sides, and rear. Together, they provide a digital 360-degree view that dramatically improves visibility while parking, maneuvering through tight spaces, or changing lanes. Even small details haven't been overlooked. The extended fuel filler neck makes refueling much easier despite the wider camper body, solving a common annoyance found on many compact motorhomes. For a camper this compact, it adds a surprising level of confidence behind the wheel. Now comes the best part, stepping inside. The Happy One Turbo also makes smart use of exterior storage. At the rear, there's a dedicated compartment for gear you don't want inside, perfect for muddy boots, tools, or anything with a smell. And on the driver's side, another storage space gives you quick access to thinner items, so you're not digging through the main cabin every time you need something on the road. The moment you enter, it's hard to believe you're standing inside something barely 13 feet long. Instead of feeling cramped, the interior feels bright, open, and thoughtfully designed. Much of that comes from the tall ceiling, large windows, and clean color palette. Soft leatherette upholstery, warm wood finishes, Quilted ceiling panels and carefully integrated lighting create an atmosphere that feels much more like a modern apartment than a tiny camper. Large double-glazed acrylic windows surround the living area, bringing in natural light while providing excellent insulation. Each window includes built-in insect screens and blackout shades, allowing you to enjoy fresh air during the day and complete privacy at night. The main lounge revolves around a comfortable L-shaped sofa that wraps around a removable pedestal table. Whether you're eating breakfast, working on a laptop, playing cards, or simply relaxing after a long drive, this area quickly becomes the social center of the camper. Because the table can be completely removed, the interior can easily switch between dining, lounging, and sleeping modes in just a few minutes. Storage is everywhere without making the cabin feel cluttered. Aircraft-style overhead cabinets run along the upper walls, providing generous room for clothing, groceries, camping equipment, and everyday essentials. Underneath the seating, hidden compartments offer even more storage while discreetly housing parts of the electrical system. Additional floor compartments near the entrance provide convenient places for shoes, tools, or frequently used gear. One of the smartest aspects of the Happy One Turbo is how it handles sleeping arrangements. Despite its tiny footprint, it comfortably accommodates up to 4 adults. The lower bed is created by converting the L-shaped seating area. The cushions fit together neatly to form a spacious double bed that makes excellent use of the available floor space. Above the driver's cabin is the second sleeping area, cleverly hidden inside the aerodynamic front pod. The bed platform slides smoothly forward over the living area, instantly creating another generous sleeping space. Unlike many compact campers where upper bunks feel like an afterthought, this one offers individual reading lights, dedicated side windows, and enough room for 2 adults to sleep comfortably. The separation between the upper and lower sleeping areas also provides extra privacy for couples, families, or friends traveling together. It's impressive to see 4 sleeping spaces integrated into such a compact vehicle without making the interior feel overcrowded. Right beside the entrance, you'll find one of the camper's most practical areas, the kitchen. Instead of squeezing appliances into awkward corners, JP Star has designed a compact but highly functional galley that includes almost everything you'd expect from a much larger motorhome. Built directly into the cabinetry is a stainless steel sink with a fold-down glass cover that instantly creates extra countertop space whenever you're not washing dishes. A flexible faucet supplies water from the onboard freshwater tank, while wastewater flows neatly into the gray water container underneath. Just below sits a 22-liter compressor refrigerator. While compact, it's more than capable of keeping drinks, fresh ingredients, dairy products, and snacks cold during extended trips, and because it runs directly from the auxiliary battery system, it continues working even when you're camping far away from electrical hookups. Above the kitchen is a dedicated microwave compartment, allowing you to prepare quick meals without carrying portable cooking equipment. Nearby, a swing-arm-mounted 22-inch television can easily be positioned toward the seating area or sleeping space, making movie nights inside the camper surprisingly comfortable after a long day of exploring. But what really separates the Happy One Turbo from many other micro campers isn't just the kitchen or sleeping space. It's how comfortable it remains in every season, whether you're camping in the middle of summer or waking up to freezing temperatures in the mountains. One of the biggest upgrades is the climate control system. Instead of relying on the small portable air conditioners commonly found in compact campers, JP Star installs a genuine home-style built-in air conditioning unit. It's neatly integrated into the rear wall, so it doesn't steal valuable headroom or make the interior feel crowded. The difference is immediately noticeable. Because it's a true household-style system, it cools the cabin much faster and far more evenly than portable units. Working alongside it is a diesel-powered FF heater, a trusted heating system used in premium campers across Japan. It draws fuel directly from the vehicle's main fuel tank, so there's no need to carry separate propane bottles just to stay warm. Together, these systems make the Happy One Turbo a genuine four-season camper, ready for snowy mountain trips just as easily as sunny beach weekends. Of course, all of these appliances require serious electrical power, and that's where the Happy One Turbo really surprises you. Hidden beneath the seating is an EcoFlow power system that rivals what you'll find in many full-size luxury motorhomes. At its heart is a massive 5,120 watt-hour lithium battery, paired with a powerful 3,000 watt pure sine wave inverter. Those numbers aren't just impressive on paper. They completely change how you use the camper. Instead of carefully choosing which appliance to run, you can comfortably operate high-demand equipment like the microwave, refrigerator, television, lighting, charging stations, and even the household air conditioner. This new model changes that completely. Built on the latest Daihatsu Atrai platform, the Happy One Turbo is powered by a turbocharged 660 cubic centimeters engine paired with a modern four-wheel drive system. While it may sound small by international standards, the turbocharger transforms the driving experience. Acceleration feels noticeably stronger, highway cruising becomes far more relaxed, and steep mountain roads are handled with much greater confidence than before. The upgraded suspension, wider tires, and reinforced stance also contribute to improved stability. Then there's the question everyone wants answered. How much does all of this cost? Depending on the floor plan and optional equipment you choose, the new JP Star Happy One Turbo typically ranges between $23,700 and $37,000. Considering everything included, from the four-wheel drive turbo platform and premium interior finishes to the household air conditioner, EcoFlow power system, underfloor heating, modern kitchen, and sleeping space for four, it delivers an impressive amount of value. If you enjoyed this look at the JP Star Happy One Turbo, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Camper Space Secrets, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another incredible camper from Japan, China, and around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.